Recorded strange sounds in the sky that will make you go, hmm. Number 1. The trumpet. December of 2019. Orange County, North Carolina. YouTuber HeliFlyer7 was able to record a sound that very much resembles a trumpet's sounds. Only, in this clip, the sound you hear is so loud, and there is not even a hint of whoever, or whatever is causing that such loud trump. Listen. Same event happened at Banff, Alberta, Canada. Back in January of 2012 from an unknown source. Here you can see a difference with the tone of the sound. However, it is still hard to determine, unlike the first clip, if the sound in this video is either of a trumpets or something else. Listen.
What was that?
Number 2. The Ship. May 24th, 2015. Budapest, Hungary. At 4:30 p.m. Central European Standard Time. A sound so faint, yet is so expansive you can still hear it out loud once you get out of your house, just like YouTuber Lucretia Berteller experienced when she stepped out and tried to confirm if she were just hearing it from inside her head, or not. Listen. Another sound that resembles that of a ship was recorded by YouTuber Trending News back in June of 2015 in Bacolod, Philippines. At around 5 p.m. Manila time. Only. This one was a much louder. Listen. Hearing something like that during your normal day will really just make you scratch your head wondering. Or could even make you tremble at your knees. I'm sure no one wants the latter. Number 3. The Monster. August of 2011. Kiev, Ukraine. Recorded by YouTuber Krystropha. Sounds so frightening yet is very confusing where really it's coming from. Listen. During the same year, a number of similar sound was reportedly heard in Kiev. And fortunately, someone was able to record and upload it so that we may also hear it. Or perhaps, help try to analyze what really is causing such sounds. Despite the fact that we could only be throwing our best guess about what they really are. Another monstrous beast-like sound was also uploaded the following year in Czech Republic by YouTuber Danky666. It was in January of 2012. Sounds like a huge creature seemed to be growling and stomping just few miles from where he lives. That must be really scary. Listen. June 4th of 2015. Batangas, Philippines. Uploaded by YouTuber Vincent Andy Magnay at around 3 p.m. Manila time. Another monstrous sound was recorded in daytime. Shouldn't be that scary. But for sure, we won't feel the same if we're the ones recording such event. Listen. Numbers of experts in different fields have already gave their best theories as to what could possibly be causing such events. From electrical wires, distant thunder, large suspicious factories, HARP, Large Hadron Collider, trumpets from end times prophecies, mad scientists, to even aliens and UFOs. However, none of them were able to give an absolute explanation of these skyquakes, or what we usually call strange sounds in the sky. In the end, we still lack information, or some group of people are just simply hiding something from us. What do you think? Do you think one of these suggestions are right? Or something else is at play here? Kindly comment down below if you know something. Maybe you know the answer to this unsolved mystery of the sky. For many years now,